just running out. 1 and 58 past. I shall not be taking much time, but I come here to appreciate and compliment for the works the teachers have been doing here at JNB Tamenglong Bukalong. And I come here to compliment for the wonderful and colorful performances the students have done this morning. Thank you, dear students, and I appreciate teachers, esteemed teachers, for the wonderful work you have been doing here, going out of your way and keeping day and night awake and always concerned for the welfare of the students. This day we in India celebrate Teachers' Day to recognize, to appreciate in recognition of the services that late Sarvepalli Dr. Radhakrishnan had contributed for the young people and for the society of our country. Our teachers here are no less than that. Our teachers are wonderful teachers. They are all well qualified and they are working day and night. And it is our duty as students to be grateful, to appreciate, in appreciation for their services. The students, they have put up wonderful programs. It's a recognition of your wonderful services and sacrifices and commitments you have been doing for the students. And the students, in turn, in the coming days, not only today, you should be paying more respect, you should be more disciplined, and you should be focused in your studies. You should be mindful of your future. Do not play with your future. And all the good characters and teachers' duties, responsibilities have been already pointed out by the former speakers and student captains like our school captain and Sir Kamai had already pointed out who is a good teacher, who is a true teacher, who is a real teacher, what teachers should be doing for the children and for the society. The teachers are the makers or the pillars of future society, and they are responsible for shaping the minds of the students and forming their characters. Unless students are disciplined and make them follow the right path, they will go astray. And this is the right time, this right place, and the right platform here in JNB, that you take up all these opportunities, grasp them, and do not regret later on in your life for not doing and not obeying what the teachers have been instructing to you. My dear children, we will see how respectful and how obedient you are in the coming days. I want all of you to be attentive and to be regular in your classes from morning till evening. All the activities you should be participating regularly. And the respect and the love that you are showing to your teachers today should not be diminished in the coming days. It should be focused, and every one of us here are observing you. By external performances or your programs, these are not sufficient that you are showing your love and concern for your teachers, but through hard work, focus in your career and your studies, all these things and obedience and discipline will show that you really love your teachers and you are showing your real love to the teachers. And on this Teachers' Day, let us all the teachers resolve ourselves that let us be like Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, mindful of the future of the students and doing all our works and duties as a teacher diligently and committing ourselves to the service of the nation in building the pillars of our future, the students. Thank you once again. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day. Happy Teachers Day. Thank you.